Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria, and today is the second class in watercolor series. So we are just going to practice. I'm taking a tissue paper which is already there here, some water and Camel Artist watercolor cakes 18 shades. Okay, yeah, I already have some colors over here, so let me use those. Okay, and for this I'm taking only one brush. Today we'll see how to do very thin lines and very much thicker lines with same single brush. This is I'm using Viano's number 10 soft bristles round brush. So let me see how this will work. So before that, what I'm going to do is, as usual, like I'm going to mix some color. I have some blue over here. Already I have some blue. So let me take that. And this way. And let me make some more color so that we can use a lot. So I have lot of color in my brush, and now if at all I want to make very thin line, how do I do it? How do I work with this brush? So I'll be working only with the tip of the brush, okay, on this way. On this way we get very thin line with the just working with the tip of the brush. Work very confidently in this way, because if at all you're cautious in drawing the lines doesn't come straight. And now if at all I want to make a little bit more thicker lines, I'll use a little bit of pressure in this and make a thicker line. So I'm using only one brush for everything, and I want even more broad or very thick line. I'll just flatten the brush in this way and make a very thick line, or I can cover the area whatever I want. So one single brush, that is enough for drawing all the things. In spite, you need to know how to work. So when you are working for the thinner lines, use this tip of the brush, and when you are going whatever the thickness you want, you use that pressure and land the brush on the paper and you can work. So these are about lines. Now let us see some leafy textures. So, or we can call this as ribbons. So I'm just dragging this, making it flat and then making it, these can be the leaf in one stroke. Okay, once again just work with the tip of the brush, land the total brush, make it flat and slowly raise the brush and make it thin. So this you can practice in all the directions. So I have done in sleeping line. Now let me do it standing line. Just work with the tip of the brush, land the total brush and slowly raise the brush and lift the brush and remove it. Once again, tip of the brush, draw a very thin line, land the total brush. How much of a big petal you want, you can make this way. Let us do this in slanting way. In this way. One more. And this way. So you can just keep on practicing these in all the direction without changing the book paper direction. You can practice in this way so that your hand becomes free, and when you're working on big projects it will be very easy. So this practice is more important in this way. Now let us see the curves, how the curves will be. Let us draw a few curves. The C shape, just landing the brush and this way. One more time. The same technique. Land the brush, make it flat, draw a very thin line in this way, and then land the total brush and just lift the brush. That's it. Let me draw an S using this. Let us see how this will come. So for today, practice these in all the colors. And check the just try to practice, make your hands free with the watercolors this way, and even try the lines once again using the tip of the brush in all the direction. We have done here sleeping line, very thin lines, standing lines, like we have done this in the first class. You can do slanting lines. Work with the tip of the brush first. So I think the camera I have here, it is having a little bit problem. Yeah, in this way. Work with the tip of the brush in this way. Like this. So keep practicing and happy drawing. If at all you're enjoying this drawing and want to learn even more, please text me. Yeah, I hope you all like this, and if at all you liked it, please give a like and do subscribe the channel if at all you're watching for the first time, and please do share the channel. We'll learn how to draw leaves in further classes. So this is just the beginning and this is the second class. So keep practicing. Bye bye, take care and keep drawing.